One more flight to go. Have time. This time we have time.
Etihad Business Lounge in Abu Dhabi is located in Terminal A, which is dedicated to Etihad Airways flights. It is easily accessible for business class passengers, those traveling in first class, and Etihad Guest Platinum and Gold members.
Good morning. So, from the lobby, you have to go up to the lounge. This is the lounge of Etihad. So where do if you want to have breakfast, it will be so if you want to relax, just stay at level 5, and if you want to eat something, you have to go to level 6.
The lounge is spacious and equipped with a variety of amenities to ensure a relaxing and luxurious experience before your flight.
You're going to level 6. It's your lounge before, smoking lounge.
The lounge provides a serene and stylish environment with ample seating, plush interiors, and modern amenities.
Maybe I don't
Guests can enjoy a wide selection of gourmet food, premium beverages, and a variety of entertainment options, including private workstations and Wi-Fi, with dedicated areas for relaxation, along with shower facilities.
I like. Yeah, mushrooms. Egg. And this is
Etihad ensures a stress-free, refreshing experience before flights. The lounge's attentive service and elegant design make it a perfect retreat for business and leisure travelers alike.